Hi, and welcome to this very special course. My name's Martin, and I'm very excited to share all my knowledge about the IELTS writing test with you. And this is based on years of experience teaching IELTS and academic writing. Now you might be thinking, what makes this course special or different? Well, first, it's based on real students' writing. Over the years, I've collected samples of student writing, and I've noticed the same mistakes occurring again and again. Well, when we do our practice exercises in this course, they're all based on past students' writing, and we're going to analyze them so that you can avoid the same mistakes when you write. And secondly, this course is based on functional grammar. Functional grammar is an alternative way of thinking about language, and it just makes a lot more sense. Well, I must say that I'm biased because I have a PhD in functional grammar, but I'm sure that it's going to be a very helpful way of thinking about IELTS writing. So, what are you waiting for? Click on that button to confirm your enrollment, and I'll see you on the other side.